Thin, light, and has a wireless battery. Today we are going to talk about a budget pen Dragonhawk H3 from the Dragonhawk company. Stay with me until the end, will be interesting. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get an additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. We have already talked about the company Dragonhawk in video reviews on my channel earlier, so I'm starting with the packaging. It's a black and green box, like a lot of boxes from the Dragonhawk company, with the green Dragonhawk logo. Let's look inside. Inside, the instruction in several languages. The second box with a Type-C cable and adapter for charging wireless battery, and the Dragonhawk H3. It's thin pen. The body has the company logo and glossy green color. The length is 135 millimeters. Let's talk more details about this tattoo pen. In the technical characteristics, the machine weight is 86 grams. Of course, we will check it on the scales. On the scales is only 86 grams. This pen has a really convenient form factor. It's light and thin in my hand, has a narrow grip with a good balance. But this wireless battery has not much time for work after charge. The Dragonhawk H3 has three colors: blue, green and light pink. Its price is about from $30 to $40. Grip diameter is 19 millimeters, and this grip is not removed. It's impossible to sterilize after procedure. I don't recommend equipment that I cannot sterilize. The needle stroke is 3 millimeters. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. This tattoo pen has a short needle stroke. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip. For good flow pigment, I recommend the needle protrusion on this tattoo pen of up to 2 or 2.5 millimeters. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the needle button 2 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. On the screen you'll see information about the charge and operating voltage. It always starts with 9 voltage. The buttons with plus and minus change the working voltage. Operating voltage from 4.5 to 12 volts. The step for change operating voltage is 0.5. So the device can work with various permanent makeup techniques, for example powder pros, lipstick, arrows, areola, but I think this pen cannot work with a big tattoo because cannot work with cartridge with a lot of needle, for example 7RL, 9 Magnum, flat and more. The wireless battery is very easy to remove for recharging. We simply unscrew it. The Dragonhawk H3 compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. I'm turning on our tattoo machine. It always starts with 9 volts. I shut down my voltage. I'm choosing 5 volts. Let's go! The Dragonhawk H3 work comfortable in during the work. I think it's an excellent value for money. It has a very small vibration and noise. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The Dragonhawk H3 is a wireless tattoo machine from the Chinese company. It has a convenient form factor, it's light, thin and has a good balance. The tattoo pen has a simple operation with 3 buttons, small vibration and noise. The Dragonhawk H3 would be able to wear for beginner PMU artists if the grip could remove. I don't recommend equipment that I cannot sterilize. See you later.